Baby, I'm trying to do my work. I'm trying to do my work. Doody, I'm trying to do my work. What? You don't want me to do my work? You want me to play instead? I gotta do my work. I gotta do my work. You just want me to eat breakfast so you can have some of it, don't you? I'm telling Daddy.